This isn't just a truck, it's a rolling masterpiece that commands attention and admiration. Every detail speaks of precision, passion, and an unwavering dedication to excellence. Its vintage-inspired design pays homage to an era when automobiles were not just vehicles but symbols of art and individuality. The six-wheel configuration is not merely a striking visual feature, it's an engineering marvel that elevates this truck into a league of its own. It's a statement of innovation, craftsmanship, and boldness that sets it apart on any road. From the moment you see it, the truck's presence is undeniable. The gleaming chrome accents catch the light, reflecting an aura of sophistication. Every curve of its body is sculpted with intention, blending retro charm with modern flair. This is not a mass-produced machine, it's a custom-built work of art. The cabin is no exception. Step inside, and you're greeted by premium materials, intricate stitching, and an ambience that exudes luxury. Every inch of this truck has been meticulously crafted to deliver an experience unlike any other. However, this truck is not just about looks. Beneath its hood lies a beastly engine that pulses with raw power. It's a machine built to perform, offering unparalleled strength and capability. Whether cruising down city streets or tackling rugged terrains, this truck delivers an exhilarating driving experience. The powertrain is engineered to provide seamless acceleration and remarkable durability, ensuring it's ready for any challenge you throw its way. What truly sets this vehicle apart is its ability to bridge the gap between past and future. Its vintage styling is a nod to the golden age of automobiles, yet its modern technology pushes boundaries and redefines what's possible. It's a celebration of timeless design, reimagined for a contemporary audience. This truck isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a symbol of individuality and a tribute to those who dare to stand out. This is a machine for the bold, for those who refuse to settle for the ordinary. It's an experience, a lifestyle, and a statement all in one. The six-wheel design not only enhances stability and capability but also amplifies its commanding presence on the road. It's the kind of vehicle that sparks conversations, turns heads, and leaves an unforgettable impression wherever it goes. Every aspect of this truck reflects a labor of love. From the design to the performance, it's evident that this creation is the result of visionaries who poured their hearts into every detail. It's not just a truck, it's a celebration of what happens when passion and innovation collide. It's a reminder that the spirit of classic automotive design can be reborn and reimagined for a new era. So, the question remains, would you drive it? Could you imagine yourself behind the wheel of something this extraordinary? This isn't just a truck, it's an icon. Share your thoughts and let us know what you think of this stunning creation. Stay tuned for more vehicles that continue to redefine the automotive world.